Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're like me, always on the lookout for natural solutions to enhance beauty, then you're in for a treat today. You're in the right place today. We're diving into the magical world of home remedies that can help your hair grow faster and appear thicker. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about eggs. They are a staple in many households, but did you know they can be a game changer for your hair? Yes, eggs are not just great for your breakfast, they're a powerhouse of protein, crucial for strong, healthy hair. The proteins in eggs help to repair and nourish your hair, making it less prone to breakage. Here's what you can do. Beat 1 or 2 eggs, apply the mixture to your scalp and damp hair, and leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing with a mild shampoo. This simple treatment can work wonders. For a more intense treatment, mix egg yolks with olive oil and a bit of water, apply it to your scalp and dry hair, and after 15 minutes, wash it out. This combination not only strengthens your hair, but also adds a beautiful shine. Regular use, say once or twice a week, can seriously boost your hair strength and thickness. Consistency is key here, so make it a part of your routine. Next, let's warm up to olive oil, rich in omega-3 acids and nutrients essential for lush hair. Olive oil has been used for centuries as a natural conditioner. Heat some olive oil until it's warm but comfortable to the touch. Massage it into your scalp and hair, and leave it on for about 30 to 45 minutes before washing off. This helps to deeply moisturize and nourish your hair. Some folks like to add honey, or even keep the oil on overnight under a shower cap for extra conditioning. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps to lock in moisture. Moving on to aloe vera. This wonder plant isn't just good for your skin, it can do wonders for your hair too. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and healing properties. Apply some pure aloe gel directly to your hair and scalp, let it sit for about 30 minutes, then wash it out. Aloe vera helps to balance the pH level of your scalp and promotes healthy hair growth. For an extra kick, mix the aloe with coconut oil or olive oil. This combination can provide deep conditioning and make your hair feel incredibly soft and smooth. This can be your go-to treatment once or twice a week. Regular use can help to reduce dandruff and keep your scalp healthy. Lastly, let's not overlook castor oil, a treasure trove of vitamin E and fatty acids. Castor oil is known for its ability to promote hair growth and thickness. Just coat your hair and scalp with castor oil, leave it for about 30 minutes, then rinse. Simple as that. For best results, you can mix castor oil with coconut oil to make it easier to apply and rinse out. There you have it, folks. 4 fantastic natural remedies to help your hair grow faster and thicker, right from the comfort of your home. These remedies are not only effective, but also affordable and easy to use. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, the key to healthy hair is consistency and patience. Don't forget to like, share, and comment your own experiences below. We love hearing from you and learning about your hair care journeys. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things beauty. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Take care and keep shining. Bye for now.